Okay, family, I'm back at it again with another quick affiliate marketing food for action moment. Now, this moment right here is brought to you by a quick, straight to the point post, a question. Now, this is a very interesting question and it's a powerful question. And depending on who you are, that'll determine how you respond to this question. And who you are is really made up of your experiences, your skills, and your ability. So, based off of those things, will be how you actually respond to this question. Now, I want to just look at the responses to this question. It was only a couple. This post was done 21 hours ago, and it's by Alexander, and it's in a public coaching group, right? So let's see what the comments say. So six of them. First one says branding, and then the same person came back with saying, like not converting those likes, comments, and engagements in general to sales. Then another comment, getting high ticket clients. Then we have getting customers. And then we have I solve coaches' problem by leading them into their potential high ticket clients. Awesome, awesome. So these are some pretty good answers, right? Depending on who you are and what you're looking for. Now, of course, all of these answers right here are designed for specific reasons. They're designed to target, actually. Even though they're responding to a question, it's also designed to target people. These people are not only responding, once again, to a question, but they're letting you know their possible skills and talents, right? So one can possibly be skilled at getting high ticket clients for you. So, and this individual named Jessica, now she may be experienced in getting you high ticket clients. And Ad Sky Agency also may be good at getting you customers. And in the name agency, you would kind of expect for this person or this group to actually be good at that. So these are good responses, right? But let's go back to the question. What problem do you solve? Now, me in particular, I feel as though with my skills, my level of skills, my level of talents, my abilities, the knowledge that I have over my 10, 15 plus years in this industry, I can't really settle on one thing in particular. So I'm not going to tell you that I help customers get clients, because client themselves or my particular customer or avatar clients, they help themselves get customers. What I actually do is I help people unlock their mindset, their potential. I do that by showing them how I'm able to unlock my mindset and potential by being creative, being open-minded, showing them various skills that I actually possess. Now, on any given day, you can scroll my social media and you'll see maybe a simple text-based post, or you'll see video content, or you might hear music, or you might see an in-depth training teaching you something that's very valuable and that could lead you to where your money is. You can come back some days and see that I'm not there at all, and it might be a podcast, my AI creation, there in place of me, still educating, still giving tips, tricks, and helpful information. Now, all of these things are a combination or an extension of who I am and what I'm capable of. So, better question that I want to pose to you guys is, instead of what problem do you solve, I want to ask you guys, what problem does your social media page prove to me that you can solve? Now, I want proof. I want proof of things. And, you know, they say fact is better than fiction. Showing me is better than telling me, right? Now, these people right here are telling a story, but I'm not sure if they can actually show me the story. Now, we can click on their individual pages and see if anything on their page would actually let you know that they can get you high ticket clients, get you customers, or if they can solve coaches' problems by leading them into their potential high ticket clients. All of this is kind of money related, kind of geared towards people who are looking to obtain, clients for the purposes of getting those clients to pay them. I don't want to talk to you about money and possibilities of getting you high ticket clients. I want to talk to you about guarantees, about things that you know for a fact that I can actually do for you. I want you to, on your journey through this online marketing world, this ecosystem that you're going to be traveling through, you're going to see all types of people, all types of services. You're going to stop by all types of places, be told all types of things. But just like in real life, don't ever be fooled by what someone says. Only be convinced by what they can actually show you and prove to you with your own two eyes, your ears, and every other sense that you can use to determine if this person can actually help solve a possible problem you have. Now, I want you to do your diligence. And this isn't to take any type of shots at any particular people online who are stating what their actual skill is and what problem they can solve. But I want to make sure that when you're making statements about what you can do, make sure that your profile or your work speaks for you. Now, what can I tell you I can do for you? What problem can I solve? Well, right off top, I can solve your content creation problem. Now, if you're looking for ways to be creative and be able to create an unlimited possibilities or amount of content ideas and never run out of, ways of speaking to your ideal customer, potential client, potential high ticket client at that, right? All of these people or all of these customers, clients, they're looking for you to engage with them. They're looking for you to stop their scroll. They're looking for you to show them that you have a particular skill set, that you have something of value, that you can actually do something that may solve their problem. Now, it doesn't have to be that you're doing the exact thing that solves their problem. All you have to do is really show yourself as being capable of doing something, being capable of doing anything. I think for the most part, people online get confused by words, comments, things that people say, and they never get to the point where they actually see that person in action doing the work and knowing for a fact that this person is capable of doing something. All I ask you guys to do is show me something, because on a daily basis, I show you guys a variety of things. And if you want to know what problem can I solve for you or help you solve, go to my page and scroll down and see what problems or what things I've been able to create and what I've been able to do. That right there might lead you to a better answer than a comment in a post. And with that, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick affiliate marketing food for action moment. And if you're interested in learning about affiliate marketing and how to do it in a way that I call affiliate marketing for people that want to have fun, I want you to comment hustle. I'm going to send you a link so that you can get started. And it's only for serious entrepreneurs. Now, if you're not serious and you don't want to actually learn and you don't want to actually enjoy the process, and if you want to just be a person that possibly just post about what they can do and not get results, because once when a person sees you post what you can do, right, they're going to do this. I'm gonna do this real quick. Let's see, getting high ticket clients. And this, once again, is not to take a shot at any particular person, but it's to show you exactly what happens, and it's to teach you. Because of course, if you're going to learn something, you have to be taught. So we're going to look at this individual's page. We're going to see, okay, they've posted in this group, right? Now we're going to look at their personal profile, right? All right, so right at the top, we can see decent banner. You can see how many friends they have. Now, don't judge a person by the amount of friends they have on their profile, because a person with a small amount of friends in their list can actually have a high percentage of engagement in people that they're actually helping. So, let's see, an hour ago. Well, let's start off again right here. Helping online coaches scale and maintain revenue at 100K a month. Sounds good. It's February 26th, February 24th post, 21st, 20th. And is this that person? No, this is not that person. And I believe we can keep scrolling and scrolling, but maybe you guys have gotten a light bulb moment. Now, not to say if this particular person can or can't solve your problem, but once when you go to a person's page and you actually see their work, or what supposed to be their work, their proof, it'll tell a different story from what they actually posted, right? Now, I hope you guys have had a light bulb moment and learned some things about problems, problem solvers, and what you should do in order to be prepared in this industry. The steps that you need to take in order to keep yourself protected and to make sure that you are the right person. If you're a problem solver, find the problem that you want to solve and show the people that you're capable of solving a problem. And with that, I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment hustle if you're interested in learning about how to do affiliate marketing. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Know what you know, and know what you know before you enter that room.
All right, everybody. I know what you're all thinking. You came over here expecting a good time. Maybe some laughs, some snacks, just, well, a party. And trust me, I get it. It's easy to say yes to that kind of thing. After all, who doesn't like a good party, right? But here's the thing, one of the hardest things I've ever had to do is bring all of you together for something more. Something that doesn't just feel good in the moment, but that can actually change our lives. I wanted us to sit down and figure out how we can build something together, something that will bring value to all of us in the long run. A business, to be exact. Now, I don't know if it's the idea of hard work, the fear of failure, or just the discomfort of being serious. But getting people to show up for something that builds your future is 10 times harder than getting everyone together for a party. And that's, well, kind of ironic, don't you think? Anyway, I guess this is my awkward way of saying, let's make today about more than just a good time. Let's make it about building something that lasts.
I'm tired of complaining about not having money. It's time for a change.
Sounds good to me. Let's do it.